back together, and
we're in the sunlight, so you can't really see us.
Yeah, we're back. So we're gonna escape this forest. We are joking. So we don't know where my doll is, and so we're trying to mystery on it, but it's fine. Kind of weird. It looks like I dyed my hair pink, but it's just in the backpack. So you guys are gonna watch us go in the car today, and we're gonna end this video when we get home. Well, we're gonna give you first a little tour. My dad's just getting this booth. It's fine. We're in the sunlight though, so you can't really see us. We're still on though. It's kind of weird because there's loads of crickets. We're in Nova Scotia. Looks beautiful. We went to a couple lakes, but did you know some lakes are, it's weird, I know, but like, link in the description down below if you're watching this video, please, because we would love to get 155 subscribers. Like this video and give it a thumbs up, and we're not done this video though. We just started being YouTubers together. I have my own YouTube channel. My dad does. But I don't have my own YouTube channel posted yet. Yeah, maybe on Sunday. But I'm leaving on Tuesday, so you guys aren't going to be able to see me that much. And it's Sunday right now, right?
Sunday.
Yeah, and so next Sunday I'm here. So we're gonna post my videos, and yeah, so I just kicked a rock. You guys like this anyway? I have a crop top on, by the way. You like it? I know that you guys like it. That's weird. I'm sorry, guys. So yeah, we're on our way. Let's just sorry. So yeah, when we were, if you guys haven't seen the blueberry, but there's like a hole right across the road, and it's like sucking down trees. It's weird. Like we can't understand if it's like all the way down to the ground. It's just weird, guys. So see, do it. Yeah, it's weird. I know, but it's a kitty. So comment down below if you think that my doll's in my backpack. You might find it. So yeah, we're almost at the car. Yeah, we are on the road. So I'm gonna have to climb some rock right now. Rocks. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna climb this one and do that. And do this. And do this. Thank you, Daddy. Okay, we're just at the car right now. It's not right, but it's the forest that we were in. There's loads of like stuff. Thank you, Dad.
Say thanks very much, and like I said, we'll leave a link for some pictures in the description below, and subscribe, and we'll go. So see you later.
We're not done the video.
I'm pretty sure we're done.
No, when we get to Nana's video.
Well, there's nothing more left.
When it dies.
So say thank you. And we'll start filming from your phone.
Okay.
Thanks.
So we're going to film it on my phone, so bye.